If Google Chrome notifications are not working on your Windows 11 PC, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to show you exactly how to fix it step by step. This is one of those problems that can happen for a few different reasons, and most of the time the issue is caused by either Chrome notification permissions, Windows notification settings, or focus features being turned on in the background. The good news is that you can usually solve it in just a few minutes. And before we jump in, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech fixes just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, we need to make sure Chrome is actually allowed to send notifications from the websites you visit. Open Google Chrome, then click the three vertical dots in the top right corner and choose Settings. In the Settings menu, click Privacy and Security from the left sidebar, then select Site Settings. This section controls what websites are allowed to do inside your browser, including notifications. Now scroll until you find Provisions, then click Notifications. Here you'll see the default notification behavior for Chrome. Make sure the option that says Sites can ask to send notifications is selected. If this is not enabled, websites won't be able to send alerts at all, which means you may miss messages, reminders, or updates from sites like WhatsApp Web, YouTube, email services, and more. Next, look down at the Not Allowed to Send Notifications list. If the website you want notifications from is sitting in that blocked list, that's very likely the reason nothing is showing up. Find the site, click the three dots next to it, and select Remove. Once removed, the website can ask for permission again, and you can allow notifications properly the next time it prompts you. After fixing Chrome's own settings, the next step is to check Windows 11 notification permissions. Windows can block browser notifications even if Chrome is set correctly, so this part is very important. Press the Windows key and I at the same time to open the Windows Settings app. Then click System and select Notifications. At the top of the Notifications page, make sure the Main Notifications toggle is turned on. If this is off, Windows will silence all notification banners, sounds, and alerts across the system, including from Google Chrome. So if you only do one thing in Windows, this is the first switch to check. Now scroll down to the section that says Get Notifications from these senders. In this list, locate Google Chrome and make sure its toggle is switched on. If Chrome is turned off here, your browser may still work normally, but you won't receive notification pop-ups on the desktop. Turning this back on usually restores alerts right away. If notifications still aren't showing, the next thing to check is Windows 11 Do Not Disturb and Focus settings. These features are designed to silence alerts while you're working, playing games, or watching content, but they can also stop important browser notifications from appearing when you actually need them. Stay in the same Windows settings area under System and Notifications, then check the Do Not Disturb toggle. Make sure it is turned off. If Do Not Disturb is on, Windows will suppress most notifications, which can make it seem like Chrome is broken even when everything else is configured correctly. Also, keep an eye out for any focus or focus session settings that may be running in the background, because those can create the same problem. Once you've completed all three steps, go back to Chrome and test a website that uses notifications. If needed, sign out and sign back into the site, then allow notifications when prompted. In most cases, that will bring everything back to normal. So, to quickly recap, fix Chrome notifications by allowing notifications in Chrome settings, making sure Google Chrome is enabled in Windows 11 notifications, and turning off Do Not Disturb or Focus features. These three checks solve the majority of notification issues on Windows 11. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more simple troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.